on the Lisa Bonet show right now. He has a reoccurring character on that, and he's here right now. He's very talented. I love his act. As a matter of fact, I'm going to steal it after the show. And he's here right now. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Don Reed.
Hello. Give yourselves a round of applause. You guys are hot. Yeah. I grew up watching a lot of movies. Love movies to the max. Crazy about scary movies, especially. So I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking, Don, if you really like scary movies so much, then you can probably do a 1-minute rendition of Alfred Hitchcock's horror film, The Birds. Isn't that what you were thinking? That's what I thought. Ladies and gentlemen, Alfred Hitchcock's horror film, The Birds. Scary movies are great, but I gotta admit, my favorite films are the Kung Fu movies. Now, I know you guys you know what I'm talking about. I mean, they do an excellent job of dubbing on these films, don't they? This is my personal tribute to every Kung Fu movie you've ever seen in your entire life. My personal tribute to Kung Fu Theater. Hey, kid. What are you doing over there? Sir, I was getting some rice cakes for my father. I don't care, kid. You better get lost before you find yourself in a lot of trouble. I'll get my brother on you. He's the best Kung Fu artist in the whole land. I don't care. Go get your brother if you want. Okay, but you'll be sorry. Chinua. Grand Cross says that you're no good. And he won't let me get rice cakes for father. Show me where the dirty red is. I'll take care of him. Chinua, I thought you were dead. As you can see, I'm very much alive. Prepare to die. Chinua, you're pretty good. Now we can live in peace. No.